place of a noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or animal. Read this with me, boys and girls. A pronoun takes the place of a noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or animal. Boys and girls, sing the pronoun song with me. Then I'll teach you about some fun sentences using pronouns. Using pronouns. Don't be boring by repeating a name. People will be snoring and you're to blame. A pronoun is key. Repeat with me. Pronouns that mean yourself. I. Me. Girl's name. She. Her. Pronoun. Boy's name. He. Him. People together. They. Them. We. Us. Pronouns. Talk to a person, say you. Something different, something new. A thing or a place. It. So don't be boring by repeating a name. People will be stirring and you're to blame. Repeat with me. Pronouns, please. I. Me. She. Her. He. Him. They. Them. We. Us. You. It.
Pronoun.
Remember, a pronoun takes the place of a noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or animal. Boys and girls, here is a boy walking on a tightrope. We are going to look at 2 sentences. Boy walks. We're going to replace the word boy with a pronoun. The pronoun is he. He walks. Now we have a little girl walking on the tightrope. Girl walks. We are going to change the word girl to a pronoun. The pronoun is she. She walks. Look at these 2 sentences, boys and girls. Child plants. We are going to change the word child to the pronoun he, because the little child who is planting is a boy. He plants. Girls are jumping. Let's change the word girls to the pronoun they are jumping. Kid hits drum. The kid, boys and girls, is a boy, so we have to use the pronoun he. He hits drum. Robot is big. We are going to use the pronoun it to replace the word robot because robot is a thing. And when it's a thing, we use the pronoun it. It is big. Books are great. Boys and girls, because there are a lot of books, we have to use the pronoun they. They are great. Jill plays a violin. Jill is a girl. So, boys and girls, we need to use the pronoun she. She plays a violin. Clay is fun. Clay is a thing. So, we will use the pronoun it. It is fun. Rabbits eat. Boys and girls, there are 2 rabbits, so we have to use the pronoun they. They eat. Oranges are sweet. Boys and girls, you can see there are a lot of oranges, so we have to use the pronoun they. They are sweet. The fish swims. Boys and girls, we are going to change the word fish to the pronoun it. It swims. Cow has a baby. The cow is a female. So, boys and girls, remember if it is a girl, we have to use the pronoun she. She has a baby. Ray eats food. Boys and girls, Ray is a boy pig. So we have to use the pronoun he. He eats food. A lady holds a pet. We are going to replace the word lady with the pronoun she. She holds a pet. Tiki Bird and I see you. The pronoun we is used because there are 2 people, Tiki Bird and me. We see you.